Alright, this is Cool Trains of Montreal. Here I am at St. John's Boulevard, and here we have a train coming westbound on a really beautiful sunny day. First sunny day in a long time here in Montreal. Probably 1:33 at around 2:15, 2:30 p.m. on Monday afternoon. February 5th, 2024. Here with the Plaza Pointe Claire in the background. And I know I saw a Southern Belle in there. Second locomotive. Oh, cool, look at that. 2 for 1. I forgot about the Eastbound EXO train. Yeah, for anyone wondering, it's 0 degrees here in Montreal today. That's Celsius, no wind. Perfect day for train spotting. And perfect day for being on a bridge too. The CP trains can be very colorful with the orange containers and the green containers. Many people don't like container trains, but they're pretty good. More colorful than coal trains ever were. And that's the last car there. And there it's going through the Cedar Park train station. Nothing coming on CN though. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains of Montreal. Have a good day.